Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're talking about custom floor mats for your vehicle to protect the floors, keep it nice and clean inside your vehicle, keep things looking good. Let's check them out. So here's the custom floor mats, a great option to protect your floors. Very simple rubber mat like this that you can pick up. Once it's actually going to trap the water, debris, all inside these little grooves inside here. You're gonna take that and then just dump that out, wash it off. Once it dries up a little bit, take that back in, just fit that back in. And it has these, really what keeps it in place the majority of the time is gonna be these little nibs on the back right here. Those little traction nibs that grips down to that carpet, holds it in place there. Simple mat for you to be able to throw down, protect your floors, and keep things looking nice inside here. This is the black that we went with. This interior comes in a couple other colors as well that you can try to match up your interior a little bit better, but that's a great option to protect your floors, again, with the custom floor mats here. Now, rear floor mats are gonna be available as well. Now, a lot of the times you can do a one piece like this that comes over the hump like that. Now, that's not always gonna be available. Sometimes they're gonna be two-piecers, and check with our sales team on which one is available for your truck or your vehicle. A lot of sedans, those are gonna be two-piecers, so like an individual driver and passenger piece, but always a good idea to protect the floors. So whatever you do as far as floor mats go, it's good to protect the floors. Makes it so much easier to clean out the dirt and snow and mud, be able to wipe those up and keep things looking nice and clean and for all your outdoors trips. So front and rear floor mats available. Again, see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.